Good morning. My name is Andre. I'm with AEC Simple, and I want to talk about shared parameters and how to do a search for them. We made this Excel file that's free to you, and you can put in your different shared parameter files. If you've ever had to look up a shared parameter or add a shared parameter, sometimes you don't know which group it is, and it's a little bit harder to find. Let's go ahead and do a search for, let's say, code. So I wanted to put the building code in, and I can see that on the shared parameters file 001, which is just an example I made up. The parameter name here is building code, and it is in the group name codes. So that makes it a little bit easier for us to find. And let's talk about how this gets populated. So let me go ahead and wipe out our parameter files, or at least the list, excuse me, not the actual parameter files. And clear our search. So you can see if I put the parameter file search path, or the parameter file path, I just have some fictitious ones that I used. And we go ahead to hit update parameters. It's going to take a few minutes, but it will go ahead and pull in all the data. Parameters have been updated. So now you can do a search for any of the parameters that you have. I hope this helps. Shameless plug time. I will go ahead and start here with the model linked in. I'll go to AC Simple. Select the sheets that you want from the LinkedIn model. Select the trades that you want, and you can make your own. Begin project setup. And it's going to go ahead and replicate all the sheets into your engineering model. You can make plan views or ceiling views, or excuse me, floor plan or ceiling plan, and replicates the architects using their title block, view titles, view crops, creating all your engineering plan sheets in seconds.